Hello investors and traders, today we'll check the S&P 500 Elliott Wave analysis, technical analysis, Nasdaq and other main indexes. I got a lot of videos about investing stocks, American stocks, stock analysis in my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And let's start with the S&P 500. You can see that here it's according to my previous projected direction. We can see that in my mind it's here leading expanding diagonal, the first wave, the first, the third, the first and the fifth. So in my mind here the target of this wave A, yes, in this move, ABC move, I'm still expecting ABC move here. This target once again, if I'm not mistaken, so yeah, it's supposed to be about 33. So from these levels now the S&P 500 is 36.24. So till this support level there is a potential of another 5% move down, but then I'm expecting a bounce to wave B, and then of course another immersion. It's possible the wave C will be here, but it's maybe the end of this year, we will see. But now still in the near term I'm expecting a move down at least 5%. Let's move to the Nasdaq 80 companies index. Here we had a head and shoulders pattern. I am already told you about this, and here, yeah, we have here the support level 11. Let's move to the weekly chart. It's 11 points. It's the nearest support level. If we will break it, the next one is less than 10. So in this case there is another probability to see the Nasdaq 11% down. So anyway, we will see, we'll check, but in my mind, of course, in the near future weeks, very high probability to see Nasdaq a little bit lower. Let's check the oil. The oil price is 25 already, and here it's very strong support level. Yeah, it's 25. Now we're already in the support level, major support level. Here, telling you the truth, I'm not sure that we gonna break the support level. That's why I'm expecting to see a bounce from this point. Look, the RSI, the momentum indicator, yeah, now it's in the weekly chart already 36. So we can see that oil is oversold position. The last time it been near to the lowest border, it was March 20. So it was the COVID, the pandemic lows. So most probably of course we will check the inflation, the interest rate, the Fed hikes, but I'm not. Of course, it will be very cool, very good for the economy at all in the world to see, of course, the oil price to come down, but we have already a correction, yeah, in oil price about 30%. It's very nice correction. So of course we will see how the oil price will move on the next weeks. And let's move to the DXY index, dollar currency index. So we can see it's still traded at its last 5 years highs. It's about 110. Actually we had the range here, yeah, this range was 90 and 100. We broke this range, and now most probably we can see a nice another move to these levels. So very strong dollar is a issue for US. It's a problem because it demand for it goods from other countries won't be so strong. So we'll see, but I hope that the inflation, the DXY, of course, when the risk at the world is high and all the wars all the wars continue, so DXY will grow. But I hope that in the near months there we can see some kind of relief, and then of course the DXY itself may start to fall down, but now I guess we will trade it above the level, this level of 110. Then we can see the US government 2-year bonds. It's very high, above 4%. You can see that it's still elevated, the US Treasury, the yield curve, because the 10-year is 3.76, but the 2 is above 4. So in the near term there is very high probability of recession. The near-term risks are higher than the long run. So in this standpoint of view, of course, we might be in a recession, or now we are already in the recession. We'll check the financial data that we are receiving, but now it's looking not very weak in my point of view. So the US bond yield is still very impressive, and of course when we see inflation about 8%, and so the yield may continue to grow. And the last one for today is Euro USD. We see that last 12 years it was a declining channel. Now we are going, as I see, to the lowest border of this channel. Here we had a major support level at 1 at parity. We broke it. So as I see, yeah, the target here is, my mind is this one. Maybe here it may be 0.80, 0.90. We'll check. But anyway, the target is somewhere here. So another move down about 10% in my mind is very possible. Also, we can see that there are elections now in Italy. There is a probability of collapse of the Eurozone. So we will see how the events will develop in the future days. So if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.